Hello and welcome to Dumbphones UK. My name is Joseph and I look at dumb or dumber phones on the UK market. Today we're looking at the CAT S22 Flip, and I've been asked to do a bit more of an update on WhatsApp and some functions within WhatsApp. I've got some questions from people, here's one, and I've also had some other questions in regards to does it work with WhatsApp desktop, so we're just going to dive into that today and see whether this little phone works. Let's go. I'm going to showcase whether you can see WhatsApp on the outer screen as has been requested. So I'm calling from the trusty old iPhone, and from this iPhone I am going to call this phone here. I've got it on loud, you should be able to hear it. I'm just doing a normal voice call. Let me zoom in here. You can't see anything on the external screen itself. I'm going to open up the phone and we can see that I'm getting a call, and I can swipe up to accept the call as expected. As we could see, you do not see the caller name on the external screen for WhatsApp. Just wanted to highlight as well, some people have asked this external display. I'm just going to show what it does when I just make a normal phone call. I can see the names of the non-dumb phone here. Appreciate the background's slightly hard to see, but I just wanted to flag you are able to see it on a normal phone call. But it's also been requested, can we use these buttons to engage with the call? So I'm going to showcase that now. So here we go. I'm going to call again. I'm going to show you that to answer it, you can use this green button. Now you can see that the call has been answered, and if I unmute it, you can see the time of the call elapsed. However, one thing I have noticed is, as you'd expect, the green button does accept the call. The red button, however, one would assume would cancel the call. However, it closes the app. So the call, as you can see, is still ongoing. If I end the call from my iPhone, everything works as expected. So ending the call using the red button doesn't seem to work. I have found a solution for it, so I'm going to show you that now. I'm calling my phone. I'm accepting it with the green button. Obviously, you wouldn't be muting in a normal world scenario, but I'm testing some stuff for you. I'm going to show you how I've managed to find a workaround. So this tab button here, the volume button, if I click it once, twice, you can see it highlights a speaker. Oh, sorry, hit it highlights a speaker. Again, video, again, hard to see, but the microphone, and then once more, again, very hard to see, a slight change in colour on the red, and if I click that and enter, the enter button, so by the enter button I mean this main circular button, it does then close the call off. So there is a workaround. Obviously, if this is for somebody who's a little less tech savvy or somebody who uses their phone less, it's a bit of a harder workaround. I've been asked an awful lot, can I use this device with WhatsApp web? So we're going to try and figure that out together. And within WhatsApp, I'm going to hop in to settings and linked accounts as it suggests. Behind, and then link a device. And to link a device, okay, I've done that. I'm going to try and scan this QR code. So now you can see the device is looking for QR code, and QR code has been scanned, and you are now able to see on here that I am able to send a test, and if I send that test to my iPhone, that has now come through there. So the link devices work as well. that was a couple of things that I found from using WhatsApp on this device, and I just wanted to show them to you because I thought it would be interesting and an update on a previous video that I did. If you want to see a previous video where I showcase calls, video calls, voice notes, head over here. Or here, wherever it comes up on screen. Don't know. I just wanted to showcase a bit more of what WhatsApp can do. Tough to say what WhatsApp. So I hope you enjoyed it. Any other questions, drop them below. Please like, please subscribe. The channel's growing. People are asking questions. I'm answering them when I can. Things get busy and I will try my best to keep going. But behave yourselves and see you soon.